Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iOS latest update 14.4.2 is out now, and we are going to update to check what's new in iOS 14.4.2. Should we update or not? We are expecting iOS 14.5, but Apple release iOS 14.4.2. We are going to update. And we have to see under updates, this updates provides improved security update, and it's recommended for all user. Before updating or downloading or installing, we are going to check some other things like software version 14.4.1, model name iPhone 6s, model number MKJ RJ2LL/A, serial number that is. And if you are going to check modem firmware is 8.40.01, and available capacity is 45.05 GB. Now we are going for update, and we will check what effects on or after iOS 14.4.2. Updating is complete. Now we have iOS 14.4.2 in our iOS device. Now let's check what changes we have after update. Go back to settings, tap general and tap on about. If we talk about the total memory that we have before is 45.05 GB. Now we have 45.58 GB. So there is no major changes. And if we are talking about modem firmware, before we have same 8.04.01, and same here in iOS 14.4.2 is 8.040.01. So it means there is no major changes in iOS 14.4.2. just some security improvements and some bug fixes. Now we wait for iOS 14.5 and what we have in iOS 14.5, and it is compatible for iPhone 6s or not. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.